Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to add Playwright MCP to the cloud. So guys, if you want to add your Playwright MCP to the cloud, it is very easy. First of all, open your cloud. After open the cloud, here you logged in with your ID. Okay, after logged in, here you see the option of customize icon. So you just click on it. After clicking, go for the option of connectors. So you go for connectors. In the connectors, here you see this is my all connectors. So I'm just go for add and browse the connector. Now here guys, you can search your connector. For search, you simply go in the above search options and search your Playwright. Okay, so here you search play and then WRIGST. Okay, so guys, here you see this is your Play MCP and you just click and connect it. Okay, so this is the way that you can connect it. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. And guys, it will take few seconds to connect. After connect, you just logged in with your account, and this is a simple way that you can connect. So guys, thank you.